Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. MST Friday for elevations above 5,000 feet. Heavy snow expected for elevations above 5,000 feet. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 8 inches from 5,000 feet to 6,000 feet, between 9 and 18 inches from 6,000 feet to 7,000 feet, and up to 24 inches above 7,000 feet. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where lens formation. When from 6 p.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. MST Friday. Impacts travel could be very difficult over Lance Creek Highway and other routes within or adjacent to Lance Creek, Wyoming. Dangerous backcountry conditions will exist, especially for those recreating in the high country of Lance Creek, Wyoming due to reduced visibility and raw conditions. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511 or visiting the WDT Road Report website.